Hi guys, and welcome back. I am so excited for today because it is Derby Day. I want to get full glam and just, I don't know, sit here, talk to you guys, film it, my outfit. I'm so excited about my outfit. I am wearing a hat today. My hair is a complete and total disaster, so please try to ignore that. I also just took my lip stain off. It is from Wonder Skin. It's this bad boy right here. It's like the purple. You guys have seen me use it before. Like the purple color. Put that on my lips for like 10 minutes. Just washed it off. It's in the shade Romance. Yeah, just Romance. I wish it was more red, but this is the only one I have. But yeah, it's a nice little base for my lip gloss. I'm just so excited about my hat. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I already prepped my skin, washed my face, all that jazz. Went in with the Merit Great Skin Moisturizer. And then like you guys have seen in the past couple videos, I'm going to go in with the Milani Conceal and Perfect Blur Out Smoothing Primer. This is just what I'm stuck on right now. Don't know when I won't be stuck on it because it's so good. I just love the way it looks and I love the way it works with the foundation I'm going to use. So until I find a really good combination with other products, you guys will probably just see me use this. All right, now that I got that all blended in, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Tinted Foundation Balm. This is in the shade Light 8 to match my self-tan on my neck. I still have a little bit on my face, but it just doesn't stay on my face as long because of how much I wash my face. I am super bummed because it's raining. It's gonna rain all day. It is currently 9:45. I think it's been raining since like 7-ish, maybe somewhere around there. And we were gonna go to our local little racetrack after a birthday party that we have to go to. And we try and do that almost every year. And I don't think it's going to work out this year because of the rain. I don't think they're going to have races, which totally freaking sucks. There's like this little casino place more so by where the birthday party is going to be because the birthday party is almost an hour away from our house. It's one of our friends' kids' birthday. It's our goddaughter. So we got to go there, and then we're supposed to meet some family and friends for the Derby, but technically the races start at 2:30. So yeah, we were going to go to the local racetrack and watch the live racing, as well as like watch the races at the Derby. But I don't think they're going to run. At this other place that I was talking about being close to where the party is, they do chariot racing. So we're like, oh, let's go check that out. Maybe they'll be running. I don't think they're running. So it really puts a damper on our plans today, which totally freaking sucks. But we're going to make the best of it, even if that means going to just some bar and watch the Derby and watch all the races. Because my outfit's too freaking good. I mean, it's not like spectacular by any means, but I really like the outfit. So I'm like, I already committed to this outfit and this hat. I just put the flowers on the hat last night, the little roses. So damn it, I'm gonna wear the hat. I'm gonna wear the outfit. I think I'm going in, yeah, I have all powder today. No cream bronzer, contour, cream blush or anything. So I'm gonna go ahead and with concealer. I just did a review on this concealer. It's the IT Cosmetics Do It All Radiant Concealer. If you have not seen that video, go check it out. I have not blended this concealer out with a beauty blender. So I do have that today. I'm going to go ahead and get my powder ready. I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Infallible Blurfection powder. This stuff is good. I really enjoy it for it being a drugstore powder. I really think it blurs. It's a good powder. You should check it out. You should try it. I am tired today. I have not been sleeping good. I'm going to need lots of caffeine and coffee today, but I feel like anymore caffeine is like, does not work on me. Does anybody else have that issue? Like for those who are big coffee drinkers, I'll have my morning coffee. I'll have 2 cups in the morning. I do have to put medicine in my coffee, so I always make sure I drink 2 cups of coffee to get my medicine. And then I will have an afternoon coffee, maybe around like 2 o'clock. If it's like past 2:30, I try not to drink any more caffeine. But I don't know, caffeine just really doesn't work on me. Like espressos, none of that really works. So it's kind of frustrating when I want a pick-me-up and the espresso does not work. But maybe I'm just too much of a caffeine OG to where it's like my body is too used to it. Like, well, yeah, this isn't gonna work for you, sweetheart. That's where I'm at. I think that's all I'm gonna put on. Even though I wanna like do it up, I am going to use my puff today and set my face. It's gonna be a long day. We're gonna be gone for like, well, all day. So yeah, I wanna make sure that my makeup is going to last. And I feel so bad because my dog is not feeling well. Every now and again, he'll have all these bathroom issues and stomach issues. And a lot of times he doesn't express his anal glands like he should. So I have to go get his anal glands done at the vet because they do it differently than the groomer. So like they do it internally and the groomer does it like externally. So a lot of times when he starts having the bathroom issues and diarrhea and stuff, I take him to the vet and get his anal glands checked. But I just had him checked, not that long ago, like 3 weeks ago. And usually like he can go months without having this issue. But yeah, he's having the problem and I don't know what to do. So I guess I'm gonna be prepared to come home to a mess. Like I did this morning, I woke up to a mess. But I feel so bad for the little guy. Now I'm gonna go in with the Givenchy Prism Libra pressed powder. This is the shade 3. I might have to go in with my e.l.f. powder on top, depending if this takes away some of the color. I don't think it should take away any of the color, just to make sure everything matches my neck. But this powder as a setting powder on the face, I absolutely love it. It's so blurring and makes my makeup just last and look beautiful all day. I tried it under my eyes several times. I just think my under eyes, I don't know. They're very specific in the powders that I can really use under them to make them look their best. And this, it's okay. It looks good, but I know they can look better. So I just like it as a face powder. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow powder. This stuff is blurring too. Just a little bit, again, because it's gonna be a long day and I don't do a lot of touch-ups. Like I don't like to bring a lot of makeup with me. So when I do my makeup, I'm doing it for the day. I'm not looking to do any touch-ups. I'm gonna take a little bit of a powder foundation since I'm going for a more glam look today. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Power Foundation. Power? Did I say power? Powder. And just take a little bit. I just like a little extra coverage. And that's also why I didn't want to go in with more of the concealer, just because I knew I was going to go in with some powder. And yeah, this just really brightens up this inner corner here, even though I'm setting it kind of all over. But this just gives more coverage and just more of like a brightening effect, which I'm a fan of. Just kind of dusting it really lightly. I'm not taking like a ton on my brush. Just taking it very lightly, kind of doing a contour situation on my nose. Not that I really need it, but when I want to go a little bit full glam, I do like to do some extra steps. All right, for some powder bronzer, I'm going to go in with the Ulta Beauty Faux Glow. Nobody talks about this. I think it's such a good bronzer. It's so pretty, so more natural-esque looking. Now, it depends on how much bronzer you put on, right? But it does have a little bit of a glow in it, which sounds super weird to have in a bronzer. But the way that it blends, the color, I don't know. There's just something about this bronzer. And I think more people need to get on this train. I don't think Ulta Beauty gets enough credit for some of their products. This is one of them. This is a good one. Ooh, now for blush. I busted this out because I thought I had more of a red blush in it, but it's not as red as I thought. It's more like orangey because the Derby, their logo, a lot of things have to do with the roses. When I say the roses, have to do with roses. So I think I'm just gonna, let's see if this comes off. I'm gonna do a little bit. Not that I wanted like this bright red blush and look like a clown. You know. But I figured more of a red blush would go with my outfit since I have a lot of red going on. I don't know if it really comes off red, and on camera, it ain't gonna come off any kind of way for y'all. Nah, we're good. I don't mind it. And for highlighter, I've been talking about this highlighter from NYX. I got a different shade. It's the NYX Buttermelt Highlighter. I love the NYX Buttermelt bronzer and blushes. They're amazing. The highlighters are just as good. This one's in the shade Glaze It Butter. The other one I have is like a pink shade, which actually would be really pretty with this look. But I'm gonna keep with this one. This one has more of a golden type of undertone. Looks really, really pretty. It's not glittery. It's just a really, really pretty highlighter. Even the pink one is like super pretty too. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, I want a very glowy nose, and Cupid's bow, and screw it, the chin. Oh, I kind of want to add more blush. I'm going to go in with an OG favorite of mine because I'm a blush whore. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush in Brighton. I feel like I use this blush all the time and I still haven't hit pan. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm like forever ago. And she's still bomb. She's still bomb. Let's do some spray. And a lot of it. It's a long day, Urban Decay. Don't do me wrong. Okay, while my face is still drying, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. I did have a little bit of mascara on. I had plans to put my, I moved them. My, what are they called? Kiss press-on lashes that I wear like all the time. But today I figured I would go in with Kiss lashes in Jubilee. Oh man. I always drop at least one thing while I'm filming. It never fails. Never fails. I just wanted to do a little more today, but the thing is, I really feel like with strip lashes in me, they weigh my eyes down and make me tired. That's the only thing I'm like, do I want to do that? Considering I'm already tired. So I'm a little conflicted. So let me go ahead and pop these lashes on. Wow, getting lashes on after not wearing them for so long, or basically wearing them every great now and again, they feel like bricks on my eyes, for real. Oh, they feel so heavy. By the way, I didn't mention the eyeliner I'm using. It's the Tarte Double Take. It's dual-ended, but I like the pin side, and it's my favorite waterline, like upper waterline, what I'm doing right now, eyeliner. I feel like it doesn't move. I have not found an eyeliner that is as good as this. I even bought the one size eyeliner. I did not like that eyeliner. I'm just gonna put that out there. And I know that makes me sound terrible because there's so many people that love that eyeliner. It did not work for me. I put that on like I'm doing right now, and it came right off. There was no staying power with that eyeliner. I literally threw it away. I didn't even care. I was so irritated. I was like, screw this eyeliner. But this one is really, really good for this. I think I'm gonna take a little bit of eyeshadow on my lower lash line, just a little bit. I don't even have a little fluffy brush to do that. I'm gonna use this one. Just a little bit of that bronzer that I use just on my lash line. Then I'm gonna take some of that NYX highlighter and highlight my brow bone, even though I don't know if you'll really even see this with my hat on, but whatever. And then right here, now for some lower lash mascara. Actually, I'm gonna start here. This just helps blend my lashes with the falsies. I don't take it all the way up on the false lash. I just take it more so where my lashes are. I think I'm already regretting these lashes. That is terrible. I think I just need a distraction, that's why. I don't know what to do for lips because I do have the lip stain on, but I have two favorite lip glosses here. The Milani, ooh, just bought a second one of this, by the way, which going through a lip gloss that quickly is unheard of for me. I really like this one, but I really like the e.l.f. I'm gonna do the e.l.f. The e.l.f. has some color to it, but I am running low on this puppy too. I'm gonna have to get more of this. This lip gloss is so good too. This one is in the shade Princess Cut, and then my favorite Milani one. This is the Milani Keep It Real Gloss Plumping Balm in the shade Puff. These are my two favorite lip glosses. I am so glad I don't have to do my hair. So what I'm gonna do is throw my outfit on, throw my hat on, put my hair in like a lower bun because it's like a wide brim hat, and then show you guys the final look. I'm so excited. See, I told you I wasn't playing. I was not playing with my hat. I put all these flowers, all these roses on my hat last night. Here's my little derby earrings. I got all this off Amazon, guys. My derby earrings, my shirt is from Amazon, my pants are from Amazon. They're like let me try and stand up here. I don't know if you could see that, but they're like a dark blue-ish cotton linen pant. And then I'm gonna wear some wedges. But I feel fabulous. Oh, and my purse is red and has like a horseshoe on it. It's so cute. I think it's like a knockoff, like little Gucci looking purse, but I got it because it had a horseshoe on it. So I feel fabulous. I look fabulous. I put the Desi, what is that called? It's the Desi Body Gloss Ultra Rich Body Lotion on my shoulder. See that glow? I kind of put it up here too. Just nice and glowy and glossy. That's like my summer go-to on my legs. Well, basically just like on my body. But now you see why I wanted a little more red, like in my blush or like in my lip. But I will, it's fine. I didn't want to wear like a red lip, but this will work. I think it's cute. I like being extra. I love themes. If somebody gives me a theme for a party, I'm going all out. That's just me. That's always been me. I'm a showman. I like to show off, be the best dressed in the room, be that annoying extra person. Hi, my name is Christy. That's who I am. So I am ready to go. He's almost ready. I'm forcing him to get a little more dressed up. Off to the derby, not literally. It's still raining. It's gonna rain all day, like I said, which is a bummer. But the derby shall go on. We are excited. Bets will be placed and money will be lost. So overall, it's gonna be a great day. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.